dope, get you pop, pop. On my son, bitch, I'm the shit. It don't stop, stop. This shit hot, hot. Ain't no stop. You are.
Hey exclusive baddies, this is BigSal, and in today's video we are going to be making a basketball purse. Yes, I know y'all probably seen this on YouTube already and like everywhere already, but I've always wanted to make one and I keep saying I'm gonna make it, and I finally decided to get the stuff to make it, which all y'all gonna need is some super glue, a thrifted purse that has a bunch of different handles and straps of your choice, and maybe a hole puncher, or you can use a screwdriver, honestly, and a basketball, of course. So I got my basketball at Walmart. I got almost everything at Walmart. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you guys the bag. It's the purse. Please focus on the purse. And yeah, so pretty easy. Did I like that? Oh no, I can't see. Oh snap. Focus, shorty. Focus on me. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the next day because I freaking like, I didn't have everything, like I didn't have enough glue or like certain things, so I'm just gonna refilm basically, or just start filming. So how I did the straps, I did this at work. I have this metal, like a little metal wire, and I just stuck it, made 2 holes on each side, and I stuck it in there. I put this in around, and then I stuck it in here and twisted it until it was tight, so I know that it's not gonna come off. And then I needed a strap for the top, and I may end up making this wider because at first it was like this little. I wanted it bigger so you can really, like, you know, put your hand in it, I guess. Even though it's real, it's still kind of tight, but I feel like this is more like decoration, if anything. So yeah, so we got the straps in, and now I'm going to try to put this on. So I got this from Walmart, and it's really long, so I'll be able to cut a piece that I don't need, but I'll have to figure out how to stitch it so that it doesn't come undone. So I think this is like perfect length, yeah. So I'm just gonna just glue like one side, glue one side, and then glue the other side. Not wanting it, and yeah, so I'm gonna cut off this part of it.